Guys, I wanted to show you this IKEA RAST Nightstand that I bought a while ago. I finally decided to give it a makeover this past weekend, and I wanted to show you what I did. I wanted to make the piece look modern and was inspired by this particular design that I saw in my Google search. It's not the same piece of furniture, but I like the look of it. So I'm going to try to incorporate this look into the piece. So let me show you what I did. First, I removed all of the drawers and then flipped the piece upside down. I purchased a piece of plywood from Home Depot and had it cut down to fit the bottom of the nightstand, which was 24 1/4 wide by 11 3/4 deep. I also cut some extra 1x2s that I had from a previous project. The long pieces are 20 1/2 inches wide and the short pieces are 6 inches wide. I added wood glue to the ends of the small pieces and then nailed them to the long pieces to create a square. This will be the base of my nightstand. Next, I lined my paint tray with aluminum foil so I can quickly be able to reuse it again. Then I used Kilt's latex primer and a foam roller to prime the nightstand, drawers, and piece of plywood. And I decided to leave the inside alone. No one's going to see that. Once the primer was dry, I painted the piece of plywood with leftover paint that I had. The color is Shadow Mountain by Behr. I only painted one side of it. Next, I placed a square base that I made earlier on top and nailed it to the plywood. Now I'm going to nail the plywood to the bottom of the nightstand. Here's what the base looks like. I only want to paint the sides gray, so I'm going to place painter's tape on top so that I don't paint the wrong area. Now let's paint. I use a small brush to get in the small areas and corners. Once the gray paint dried, I taped the gray area off and painted the top and front drawers with Pure White by Sherwin Williams. I ended up putting 3 coats of white paint on there. I know this nightstand is going to get a lot of use out of it, so I want to put a protective coat of polyurethane on there. I love this particular one because 1 coat is equivalent to adding 3 coats of polyurethane. The final item to add are the handles. I purchased these handles, which comes in a pack of 5 on Amazon for $29. They are about 12 inches long and it worked perfectly for this nightstand. Okay guys, so here's what it looked like before. Plain Jane, right? And now look at it. Yep, so much better. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.